Welcome, friends. If you've just started your YouTube channel and you're feeling stuck because your subscribers and views aren't increasing, don't worry, you're not alone. Many creators face this challenge in the beginning. In today's video, we'll discuss how you can move from being a complete beginner to reaching a professional level on YouTube. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear and practical roadmap to help your channel grow. So let's dive in and explore the essential steps that can transform your YouTube journey and set you on the path to success. Starting out on YouTube can feel overwhelming, especially when you see slow growth in your subscribers and views. It's important to understand that every successful channel started from zero. The key is to stay consistent, learn from your experiences, and keep improving your content. In this video, we'll break down the common obstacles new creators face and how you can overcome them. Whether it's finding your niche, improving your video quality, or engaging with your audience, each step brings you closer to your goals. Let's look at how you can turn these challenges into opportunities for growth. Now let's talk about the complete roadmap that will help you grow your channel from beginner to professional. Start by setting clear goals for your channel and understanding your target audience. Focus on creating valuable and engaging content that stands out. Use analytics to track your progress and adjust your strategy as needed. Remember, growth doesn't happen overnight, but with patience and dedication, you'll see results. By following these steps and staying motivated, you'll be well on your way to building a successful YouTube channel. Let's get started on this exciting journey together. Start with an important truth. Overnight success on YouTube is extremely rare. Most creators you see with big numbers have actually spent months or even years consistently uploading videos before they found real traction. If your first 10 or 20 videos don't get many views, there's no need to panic. This is completely normal. The YouTube algorithm takes time to understand your content and figure out who might enjoy it, so don't get discouraged by slow growth in the beginning. Instead, focus on learning, improving, and staying consistent. Remember, every successful channel you admire today started from zero. The journey is about patience and persistence, not instant results. Imagine your subscriber count as a growing line on a graph. It starts at 0, then slowly climbs to 100, 1,000, and eventually 10,000. This growth doesn't happen in a single day. Each new subscriber is a small win, and every video you upload is a step forward. The process is gradual, and sometimes it might feel like nothing is happening. But behind the scenes, your content is reaching new people, and the algorithm is learning more about your channel. Celebrate the small milestones because they're signs that you're moving in the right direction. Stay motivated and keep creating even when progress seems slow. One of the biggest secrets to YouTube success is consistency. It's not about making the perfect video every single time, but about showing up regularly and giving your best effort. The more you upload, the more you learn about what works and what doesn't. Over time, your skills improve, your audience grows, and the algorithm starts to favor your channel. Don't let early setbacks or low numbers stop you. Focus on building a routine and enjoying the creative process. Remember, every big creator was once a beginner, and their journey was filled with ups and downs too. When it comes to growing your channel, one of the most important decisions you'll make is choosing the right niche. Think of your niche as the foundation of your content strategy. Without a clear focus, your audience can easily get confused, and your channel might struggle to find loyal viewers. Whether you're passionate about gaming, football, movie explanations, education, AI tools, technology, or motivation, picking just one area to specialize in helps you stand out. In this video, we'll explore why selecting a niche is the first key to growth and how it sets the stage for everything that follows. The very first key to growth is selecting the right niche. Imagine you're interested in gaming, football, movie explanations, education, AI tools, technology, or motivation. It's tempting to make videos on every topic you like, but this can actually confuse your audience. When viewers don't know what to expect from your channel, they're less likely to subscribe or keep coming back. Instead, focus on one area that you're truly passionate about. Highlight that niche and let it define your channel's identity. This clarity helps attract the right audience and makes your content strategy much more effective. Once you've chosen your niche, you'll notice how much easier it is to create content that resonates with viewers. Your audience will know exactly what to expect, and you'll be able to build a community around shared interests. This focused approach not only helps with channel growth, but also makes it simpler to plan your videos and measure your progress. Remember, every successful channel started with a clear niche, so take your time, explore your interests, and commit to the one that excites you the most. That's the real secret to long-term growth. When someone visits your channel, the first impression is everything. A professional look not only attracts viewers, but also builds trust and credibility. Think about it. Would you rather subscribe to a channel with a blank profile and no information, or one that looks polished and inviting? Setting up your channel professionally is the foundation for long-term growth. In this video, we'll walk you through the essential steps to make your channel stand out from the crowd, starting with the basics and moving toward a complete, eye-catching transformation. Let's break down what makes a channel look truly professional. First, you need a great logo, something simple yet memorable that represents your brand. Next, create an attractive banner that visually communicates what your channel is about. Don't forget to fill out the About section with a clear description of your content and mission. Adding your social links is also important, as it helps viewers connect with you on other platforms. Each of these elements works together to give visitors a sense of professionalism and reliability the moment they land on your page. Now let's see the difference a professional setup can make. Imagine your channel before, maybe it's missing a logo, the banner is plain, and there's little information about you. Now picture the after, a vibrant logo, an eye-catching banner, a well-written About section, and all your social links neatly displayed. The transformation is clear. Visitors instantly feel that your channel is trustworthy and worth exploring. Taking the time to set up your channel professionally not only attracts more viewers but also encourages them to stay and subscribe. It's a small investment for a big impact. When it comes to creating videos, the most important thing is your content. Whether your video is informative, entertaining, or solves a problem, it must offer something valuable to your viewers. Every video should leave the audience with a sense that they've gained something, be it knowledge, a laugh, or a solution to their issue. If your content is weak, even the best thumbnail or SEO strategies won't help much. The core of any successful video lies in what you deliver to your audience. So always focus on making your content strong and meaningful. This is the foundation that everything else builds upon, and it's what keeps viewers coming back for more. Let's compare bad content with good content. Bad content often lacks direction, fails to engage, and doesn't provide any real value to the viewer. It might be confusing, boring, or simply irrelevant. On the other hand, good content is clear, engaging, and directly addresses the needs or interests of the audience. It's well-structured and delivers information or entertainment in a way that's easy to understand and enjoyable to watch. When viewers find your content valuable, they are more likely to share it, subscribe, and return for more. This simple comparison shows why investing effort in your content is crucial for long-term success. Ultimately, the strength of your content determines how far your video will go. Even with eye-catching thumbnails and perfect SEO, weak content won't retain viewers or encourage them to interact with your channel. Strong content, however, creates lasting impressions, builds trust, and establishes your channel as a reliable source. It's the reason people subscribe and recommend your videos to others. So always prioritize quality and relevance in your content. Remember, content is the king that rules over every other aspect of video creation. Make it your top priority and you'll see the results in your audience's engagement and growth. Give your YouTube thumbnail as the shop window for your video. It's the very first thing viewers notice, so it needs to stand out. Use bright colors that catch the eye and make your thumbnail pop. Add bold, large text that's easy to read even on small screens. Don't forget to show emotions. Faces with expressive reactions can make a big difference. Keep your thumbnail clean and uncluttered so the message is clear at a glance. A well-designed thumbnail can significantly increase your click-through rate, drawing more viewers to your content and setting your video up for success. SEO, or search engine optimization, is all about telling YouTube exactly what your video is about. Start by using important keywords in your video's title. This helps YouTube understand your topic right away. Add those same keywords naturally in your description, and don't forget to include relevant tags. For example, if your video is about football highlights, use keywords like football highlights, best goals, and football moment. This makes your video more discoverable and helps it reach the right audience. A little keyword research goes a long way in boosting your video's visibility. Audience retention is a key factor in YouTube's algorithm. The longer viewers stay on your video, the better your chances of growth. Start your video with a strong hook, something that grabs attention right away. Let viewers know what they'll learn or gain if they watch till the end. Avoid unnecessary intros that might make people click away. Keep things dynamic by changing visuals every 15 to 20 seconds so the content stays fresh and engaging. High retention signals to YouTube that your video is valuable, which can help it get recommended to more people. Consistency is the secret weapon for YouTube growth. Try to upload at least 2 or 3 videos every week. Create a clear upload schedule and stick to it so your audience knows when to expect new content. Consistent uploads not only keep your viewers engaged but also signal to YouTube that you're an active creator. Channels that post regularly have a much higher chance of growing quickly. Treat your upload schedule like an important commitment, and you'll see steady progress over time. Don't overlook YouTube Shorts. They're a powerful tool for rapid audience growth. By uploading 1 or 2 shorts daily, you can quickly reach new viewers who might not find your long-form videos. Shorts have the potential to go viral, and high-performing shorts can even drive more traffic to your main channel and longer videos. Make sure it's a regular part of your content strategy to maximize your reach and take advantage of YouTube's push for short-form content. Make the most of YouTube Studio to analyze your channel's performance. Check which videos are getting the most views and see how long your audience is watching. Look at which thumbnails are attracting the most clicks. Use this data to understand what's working and double down on those strategies. The more you learn from your analytics, the better you can tailor your content to what your audience loves. Smart analysis and adaptation are key to long-term growth on YouTube. Selecting the right niche is the foundation of your YouTube journey. Focus on a topic you're passionate about and that has an audience. When you choose a niche that matches your interests and expertise, creating content becomes more enjoyable and sustainable. Plus, a clear niche helps attract a loyal audience who knows what to expect from your channel. Take time to research and pick a niche that offers both demand and room for your unique voice. Quality content is what keeps viewers coming back. Invest time in planning your videos, scripting your ideas, and editing for clarity and impact. High-quality visuals and clear audio make a big difference in how your content is received. Always aim to provide value, whether it's through entertainment, education, or inspiration. The more effort you put into your videos, the more likely viewers are to subscribe and share your channel with others. Compelling thumbnail can make all the difference in attracting clicks. Use bold colors, clear images, and expressive faces to grab attention. Make sure your thumbnail matches the content of your video to avoid misleading viewers. Consistency in your thumbnail style also helps build your brand and makes your videos instantly recognizable. Don't underestimate the power of a great thumbnail. It's your first impression on potential viewers. Video title is crucial for both SEO and attracting viewers. Write titles that are clear, descriptive, and include your main keywords. Avoid clickbait. Make sure your title accurately reflects your content. Engaging titles spark curiosity and encourage people to click. Test different styles to see what works best for your audience, and always keep your titles concise and to the point. Well-written description helps YouTube and viewers understand your video. Start with a summary of what your video covers, then add relevant keywords naturally. Include links to your social media-related videos or resources. The description is also a great place to encourage viewers to subscribe or take action. Keep it organized and easy to read for the best results. Tags help YouTube categorize your video and suggest it to the right audience. Use a mix of broad and specific tags that relate to your topic. Don't overdo it, focus on the most relevant keywords. Tags like your main topic, related themes, and even common misspellings can help your video get discovered. Review your tags regularly to keep them up to date with trends. First few seconds of your video are critical. Start with a strong hook that grabs attention and makes viewers want to keep watching. This could be a surprising fact, a bold statement, or a preview of what's coming up. The goal is to spark curiosity and set expectations right away. A great hook can dramatically improve your audience retention and overall video performance. Viewers want value right away, so get to the point quickly. Avoid long intros or unnecessary details at the start. Clearly explain what your video will cover and why it's worth watching. The faster you deliver value, the more likely viewers are to stay engaged and watch till the end. Respect your audience's time and they'll reward you with loyalty. Your video is visually interesting by changing up the visuals every 15 to 20 seconds. This could mean switching camera angles, adding graphics, or showing on-screen text. Visual variety helps maintain attention and prevents viewers from getting bored. The more dynamic your video looks, the higher your chances of keeping people watching until the end. Most YouTube viewers watch on their phones, so make sure your videos look great on small screens. Use large, readable text in your thumbnails and on-screen graphics. Keep your visuals clear and uncluttered. Test your videos on mobile devices to ensure everything is easy to see and understand. Optimizing for mobile can improve your click-through and watch rates. Having a consistent upload schedule helps build anticipation and loyalty among your viewers. Decide on specific days and times to release new videos and stick to your plan. Scheduling uploads also helps you stay organized and ensures you never miss a deadline. The more reliable you are, the more your audience will look forward to your content. Batch producing means creating multiple videos in one session. This saves time and helps you stay ahead of your schedule. Plan your topics, script your videos, and film several at once. Editing in batches also streamlines your workflow. Batch production is a great way to maintain consistency, especially if you have a busy schedule. Share your videos on social media platforms to reach a wider audience. Post clips, teasers, or behind-the-scenes content on Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook. Engage with your followers and encourage them to check out your channel. Social media promotion can drive new viewers to your videos and help your channel grow faster. Building a community is key to YouTube's success. Respond to comments, ask questions, and encourage viewers to share their thoughts. The more you interact with your audience, the more connected they'll feel to your channel. Engagement also signals to YouTube that your content is valuable, which can boost your video's reach. Collaborations introduce your channel to new audiences. Partner with other creators in your niche for joint videos, interviews, or challenges. Collaboration helps both channels grow and brings fresh ideas to your content. Look for creators with similar interests and audience sizes for the best results. Playlists keep viewers watching more of your content. Group related videos together into playlists to guide viewers through your channel. Playlists can improve your watch time and make your channel more organized. Use clear titles and descriptions for each playlist to help viewers find what they're interested in. Regularly checking your analytics helps you understand what's working and what's not. Look at metrics like watch time, click-through rate, and audience demographics. Use this information to refine your content strategy and make data-driven decisions. The more you know about your audience, the better you can serve them. Don't be afraid to try new formats, topics, or styles. Experimenting helps you discover what resonates most with your audience. Track the results and double down on what works best. Staying flexible and open to change keeps your channel fresh and exciting. YouTube trends change quickly, so stay informed about what's popular in your niche. Watch trending videos, follow industry news, and adapt your content to fit current interests. Being early to trends can give your channel a big boost and attract new viewers looking for the latest content. Growing on YouTube is a journey that combines creativity, consistency, and smart strategy. By focusing on powerful thumbnails, effective SEO, audience retention, and regular uploads, you set a strong foundation. Embrace shorts, analyze your data, and keep experimenting with new ideas. Stay connected with your audience and adapt to trends for long-term success. Remember, every step you take brings you